shirt with air conditioning ultimately, cooling. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Jay. So I'm wearing kind of a air conditioning type shirt. This is tech, and this is something different that I've never experienced before. So I wanted to get my hands on this just to see. Now this will come in different sizes. This is a 2XL right here. And ultimately you have a shirt that's got like this cooling situation on the front and the back. And it pumps water in. You've got these little hoses right here that feed into this. This is definitely different. So inside of here, pretty much ice bucket, water bottle full of ice. You can kind of see there. That's how you do it. You fill that up with ice water, and it can get as cool as 64 degrees Fahrenheit. And you might think that's not very cool, but when it's on your person and you're really hot, yeah, it is going to be cool. So I've been wearing this, honestly, before this review, I decided to wear this for about an hour just to kind of get a feel of it and see how it would actually, if it's practical or not. Now, so my honest feelings are this would work if I was in a situation where I needed it to, like if I was out camping, hiking, or I'm in a situation where it's really hot outside and I just don't want to deal with the heat. I can fill this up with ice water, strap it around my waist or strap it on my shoulder or cross, hit that bag, kind of slide it to the side, and then boom, I've got air conditioning right on my person. So does it work is a question you might have. Yes, it works. I powered this with a small, well not a small, I grabbed my zero limit battery pack and I stuffed it inside the little zipper portion and I hit the power button. There's a power button on here as well and it powers it on. And you can just hear the pumps going where it's pumping the water into the shirt. These fill up, there's little lines that run all the way across the front of the shirt, and it fills up with water, and you can actually feel the coolness of the water instantly. As soon as the lines fill, it took about 5 to 10 minutes, I guess. I wasn't really timing it for the lines to fill up because we're not dealing with a high pressure pump here, but it took a little bit for the pressure to get up into the shirt, and then ultimately it was cool, which I think that is cool, no pun intended, but it works. So your question of does it work? Yes. Is it practical? Kinda. This isn't something I recommend you wear around your house or something like that. This is a situation where if you need to do something and you might be in a situation where it's going to be hot outside, that is where you need to grab this, put it inside your backpack or strap it over your shoulder like I said, and you will get a cool feeling from this. This is pumping the cool water directly into the shirt. So is it practical for day-to-day use? No. But is it practical for an active person? Yes. Or a person that's going to be outside a lot? Yes. It's crazy, I know, but this is just what it is. And I wanted to try this out. What I don't like about this product is how big this is. I know that it's pumping the water through, and it's not like the water's going anywhere. It's just staying within this source. It's pumping it through in the shirt. So why couldn't I have a smaller bottle? I don't know, maybe this is a jumbo size version. Maybe it depends on the size of the I don't know. But I do appreciate them sending this out. This is in Kickstarter. You'll see the links in below. But in this bag, you'll see, I'll give you some shots of what's inside of here. This is where the pump is and the power button. And I've already showed you inside of the bag here where the big bottle is at. It feeds these two right here into the portions that'll come out of the shirt. So practicality, not so much for a non-active person, I'll say. But again, it does work, and it's something that I just had to try out, man. And I think it's actually a very cool product. It does need a few tweaks, in my personal opinion. No one's gonna wanna carry around this big bottle, hooking it around their waist or strapping over their shoulder. It's kind of like a half gallon of water, actually. So make a more portable version of this, a more smaller version, if this is something that they're trying to push to the masses, like something that you can actually use around your house. You might want to use it, but I didn't feel comfortable with this big half gallon of water strapped on. And the cables, these aren't that long. They're not that long. It's 2 of them. They're not that long, and you got to strap it on. You got to keep it close. So with that being said, this is a cool product, and I think for the right person, especially the active lifestyle or people who work outside, I think you guys are really going to like this product. So I wanted to bring it to you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.